Verifying your identity on Piguet Galland is crucial for accessing your account and services. If your verification fails, follow these steps to resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your information. Ensure that all the personal information you provided matches the official documents you submitted. Common discrepancies include misspellings or incorrect dates. Step 2. Review document requirements. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in elite databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Contact customer support. If your verification still fails, reach out to Piguet Galland's customer support. Provide them with details of your situation and any error messages you receive during the verification process. Step 4. Resubmit your documents. Follow the instructions from customer support to resubmit your identification documents. Ensure that you address any issues they highlighted in your previous submission. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After resubmitting, allow some time for the verification process to be completed. You will receive a notification once your identity has been successfully verified or if further action is needed. In conclusion, following these steps can help you successfully verify your identity on Piguet Galland even if your initial attempt fails. Always ensure your information is accurate and up to date to avoid future issues.